Well, hello everyone. I want to ask you a question. Did you know that your business is only as real as you make it? I want you to think about some of the companies that exist right now. They didn't start and then just became this huge success overnight. It was time, it was building blocks, it was strategy, and all of that. One of the things also I want you to think about is that the things that you do as far as on the consumer side, you can do on the commercial side of your business. I had an individual who I was one of my clients, and he ended up making six figures in the stock market, which is amazing. I mean, the fact that you can do this analysis and then be able to create that for yourself is amazing. But then what? One of the things that a lot of people don't realize is that you're taxed the same when you are trading stocks, short term. You're taxed the same as a regular, worker. And that's a huge issue and a huge problem because if a stock just shoots up and you do very well, then you're now liable and responsible for that tax. Well, here's the thing. What if you put your brokerage account inside of your company? That will change everything. See, one of the things that I do is I love to analyze businesses and look at their profit and loss statements, their balance sheet, and to see what the numbers are saying to me. And one of the things that we have to start doing is we are, as far as behind in relation to, some of the companies that have been around for 50, 100 years. However, on a smaller scale, you can mirror and emulate what they do. So a lot of these companies, they have, key man life insurance policies. That's something to look at. They also have brokerage accounts that are in their company's name. And I'm saying that again for a reason. Okay. So that flows through the company and, that brokerage, instead of it going directly to them personally. Okay. Hint, hint, wink, wink. All right. Another thing, they have various investments, cryptocurrency. I know that's all the craze. You can have a brokerage account in crypto. If Shiba coin shoots up from, where it is 0.00 land to $1, and you have 200,000 of those, then think about that as well. Okay. So your business is as real as you make it. It will be as successful as you make it, but also do what the big boys do, but do it on your level. Okay. Build up your balance sheet by creating assets, investing in various asset classes just as they do. And that is how you will be able to see some changes throughout the years, and things will get better, in that regard, because now you have money flowing not only from your efforts and your services and your products, but your company will have actual investments, which is so exciting and amazing. Okay. So I hope that this video has been helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. We also have a class that I put together. This class, essentially, it helps entrepreneurs, specifically in the state of Texas, to set up their LLCs appropriately. I actually go through the process of purchasing an LLC in the state of Texas and setting up the registered agent and getting the EIN number and teaching you about the bank account and the W-9s and the vendors and all of that in the class. The class is a investment of $97. You can check that out in the link below. And I literally had a guy the other day after a consultation with me, because it's like a consultation in a box, essentially. He was like, why don't we learn this in school? They don't teach us this in school, because he was very upset because his company was in forfeiture status because he didn't know about the regulations that are needed in order to keep your company current, which is a sad shame. But we were able to assist. I have a lot of people who contact me and they have issues with their company being in forfeiture status due to the fact that they did not know. Okay. And sometimes, they forget. So make sure you're educated. Always level up, level up, level up. Educate yourself. put the knowledge and information in your mind. The more valuable you are, the more that you will be able to do and to bring to the table. Okay? All right. So until next time, stay profitable and stay great, and share with a friend. Bye.